Yo! Ah!
You want to give this another shot?
I like trains.
Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo?
I don't know, you better stop!
What should we name it? Itchy armpit it is.
Son, we need to talk.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
Slay! Slay!
What did you tell him?
I didn't. By the time he turned around, I was gone.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Once we make the big announcement.
They are building a dragon army.
What did he say?
Dargo Bloody Fist or something. It's your lucky day. We give up.
I am confusion.
That ought to make the boss happy, right? Excuse us.
Let's go.
The dragons don't really care for cramped spaces, so they'll just hang out with you. Unless you do that. You know, wooden boats, big ocean. How is your swimming?
Not good.
Can't have armed prisoners.
How is this a plan?
Give me that.
Because I'm going to change his mind about dragons. May I?
Wake me up inside. Wake me up.
Why, hello.
Oh, come on, Dad. Really?
Oh my God, what is that?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
But a mother never forgets.
How y'all doing?
You can't just say something like that and run off. You're my mother? This is where you've been for 20 years?
You're not upset?
What? No, I don't know. I'm actually the one who shot him down.
Bruh.
Just had to make it even, so... Tag leg.
This is what it is to be a dragon.
It's all well and good to call yourself a dragon, but can you fly?
She was a fairy. I'm so sorry, Hiccup. Will you give me another chance?
No.
Oh, I love this one.
Remember our song, pal.
Remember, like, oh my God, remember our song? I've been crushed. Piper, do you remember? I don't remember this. Oh my God.
Gladly.
Sing once again with me, a strange duet.
Stop beyond my journey. Sorry.
I've no use for razor gold, I can.
I only want you near me
To love and kiss to sweetly. Nights I'll keep you
I'm still going. I'm done.
I told you it was in here.
Come here, you.
You're a demon! No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon.
See? Just a guy.
Oh, I know a demon when I see one. No human legs are that skinny.
Child. Anyway, so.
More demons!
That's really just a nitwit who forgot to fireproof his butt. Bud, you wanna do something here? Or?
They're a bad omen. We're cursed.
Got soup.
busting out the...
If you need a beard to cry on, just lean on my shoulder and you can cry into my full, thick beard.
If you're having doubts about yours truly, I'm pretty sure Snotlout's available.
He only has eyes for your mom.
Oh! No, you are not getting away. Ah, okay, you win.
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. I never took you for a romantic. Like, ever.
Don't worry, little Hickey. I'm here.
Wait, Hickey?
No.
Well, look who it is.
Oh!
Oh, hey, it's really nice to finally... Whoa!
Right now, bro.
All right. Fire when ready. Bring her home by sundown at the latest. No, save it for your girlfriend.
Help me!
Okay.
Help me!
I'm just getting sick. Okay. How would I know? She never comes around.
And when she does, she's always rushing off. I'm saying, how do we know if she's right for us? Us? You know what I mean. She's so wild and skittish. I'm just gonna say it. I don't trust her.
Hickey, a moment. Listen, I've been watching you walk. Lose the limp. No one's gonna marry that.
I have a prosthetic leg.
Come on. Chin up, Hickey. Puff out that chest. Move that butt to the left a little bit.
Huh?
Go, Toothless.